Hey guys, welcome back to Dacey's Garage. So in today's episode, slightly different than normal, I'm going to do a car reveal of my new car. Now it's currently behind me over there, but before I let you see it, I'm going to give you a couple of clues as to what it might be. So click pause when you guess it, and then write the time in the comments of when you worked out what it was, and the fastest person to work it out I'll give a thumbs up to. How about that? Right, so let's go. Did you guess it? Alright, let's have a look then. Oh yeah! Focus RS! How decent is that? So I literally just picked up today, so it is a bit dirty. But what we'll do is we'll do a quick montage of all the really cool bits, and then we'll have a look at what I need to do to it before I start driving it on the road. So yeah, what do you think? Cool? Absolutely. Well, my opinion anyway. I'm sure anybody that owns a Lamborghini or something is going to say, rubbish. But for me, this is quite a cool car. 350 horsepower standard. That is very quickly going to be going up. With help from people at Dream Science and a few other places I'm going to go and buy some bits from. And they will be bought. I can't imagine anybody's going to give me them for free, given the YouTube channel's not big enough yet. But yeah, so basically the plan for it is that it's going to be my new daily driver, but before it becomes my new daily driver I need to fix the paintwork, because if you look closely, you might not be able to see it in the sunlight, I'm not sure, but it is really badly covered in swirl marks. Really badly covered in them. Maybe wait till the sun comes back out. But yeah, really covered in swirl marks. It's only done 3,000 miles from new, but the paintwork certainly would not make you think that. Quite the opposite, in fact. It's really quite badly scratched, so it must have spent a lot of its time going through car washes, unfortunately. Kind of a crime on this channel, but never mind. Wheels are also minging. I can't work out whether they're gloss or whether they're meant to be a matte finish, but I'll give them a quick clean and we'll find out. So yeah, what do you think, guys? So yeah, like I say, a few choice modifications. Probably going to change the induction kit completely, put a stage 2 intercooler or maybe even a stage 3 intercooler in it. The dump valves and everything else should be perfectly capable of handling the horsepower that it's going to have to begin with. And put a Dream Science map on it, put it up to about 400 horsepower straight out of the gate. And then, like I say, full exhaust system eventually, racing cat, the works. I'm going to do it all on the channel for you guys to see as I'm going along, and I'm also going to start posting photos of this car and all the places I end up taking it to on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, which only 3 people are, give me a follow on Instagram so you can see the progress of the car. So yeah, with that guys, that's the end of a midweek update for you. And get ready to see this car on the channel a lot more. Actually, one other thing I need to show you, which I'm going to do a video on relatively soon, is it has a really bad scratch in the door right there. It's taking it right back to the primer coat, and same with there as well. So I'm going to touch them up with a touch-up pen that you can buy in any kind of local car place, and I'll show you how to do it to the point where it looks almost new. you won't be able to get it back to look like original, just because of how paint works. But I'll do a video on it anyway. So yeah guys, like I say, that's the end of this very short midweek video. Just thought I'd give you all an update. I've still got the ST, it's parked around the front of the house over there. It's up for sale if anybody wants it. Most of the people on this channel now know what it's had done to it, so on and so forth. So if you know anybody wanting an ST, be sure to leave a comment and I'll get back in touch with you. So yeah guys, that's it. Peace out, see you in the next one.